Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. You know when you get your brand new phone and you get that nice screen protector to protect your screen, and just to find out after you put on that screen protector that your phone is not responding well, you're not able to open apps, you're not able to use even your finger touch print on your phone, and this can be such a headache. And that's why in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the touch sensitivity on your phone, on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, so that this can help to fix that issue. So how do you do that? Simply do a swipe up and go to settings, guys. Then you simply want to tap on display. From here, scroll all the way down to where you find touch sensitivity. All you have to do is toggle this on. And as you can see from the description there, it says increase the touch sensitivity on the screen for use with screen protectors. So if you're using screen protectors, you might want to come here and enable this, because this is going to help you to increase the sensitivity for using application and even with your fingerprint to access your phone, or even within applications such as your banking and so forth. So this is very useful, guys, and if you'd find this useful, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you're using it and if it's working well, and also hit that subscribe button if you've seen AppIQ for the first time. Thank you very much and see you next time, guys.